Alright guys, we have now teleported to Angeles Crest Highway, way up in the canyon, as you guys can see. And we met up with a bunch of cool cars. We got an M5 competition here on BBS wheels. This thing is hella clean with white interior. That is bad. We got a Huracan STO. So sick, bro. This thing is crazy. That's a sick aspect too, the blue and yellow. Yellow brakes. This thing's probably so much fun up here in the canyon. Got my boy's AMG. Sheesh. There's a lot of sick cars. Another Lambo. That was a Performante. This shit fire. Nardo Gray. And then, last but not least, we got a CGT. Must be nice, huh? God damn, that's sick. Look at the exhaust. It's probably like the best thing on these cars, like the crazy looking exhaust. All right guys, Austin's gonna take that F80 out so we can do a little flyby real quick and hear the exhaust. Car looks so good. Damn, it sounds crazy. Guys, it sounds insane, I love it. Oh, look at this Porsche. That thing sounds sick too. It's crazy because the new Valtronic exhaust kind of sounds like a Porsche in a way. This thing is clean, bro. The wing on it. GT3. That's badass. Probably one of the cleanest Porsches I've ever seen. All white out like that.
The headlights?
Yeah, I like how the headlights are white too. Like everything is white on this car. That F80 sounds good. This thing is crazy. Literally looks like a race car, bro. God damn, that shit's hard. I feel like I've seen this thing at SEMA last year. Damn, those turbos are loud. Which one are you guys taking out of all these though? The CGT? I like the Huracans low key. The STO is crazy. All the cars look so good. Hi. There's no way he's driving with the doors off, bro. No way he's drifting the cop car.
With no doors. Hey, welcome back to another video.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Hello.
Austin wants to drift the F80. Everyone's drifting my car today.
This rubber is currently burning up hard.
What the heck? I didn't know he was gonna go that crazy. Damn, bro. Alright, Austin wants to drift the F80, guys. Hopefully you don't crash it. Okay, the F80's louder on. Really the M5 has a Valtronic exhaust too?
Yeah.
They both are Valtronic.
What's this Tesla doing?
He wants to drift too.
Oh.
A random Tesla wants to drift, guys.
Is he actually about to swing it?
I don't know. He said he's done it before. No way he's gonna do it. What if he goes straight into your car, bro?
I will, bro.
That shit's really drifting. Oh! Oh my God, bro. What the heck? That is crazy.
Yo, what?
It literally drifts good. Everyone's all impressed. Guys, he literally just randomly found us up here.
Tires are howling.
howling in pain. That's such a heavy car.
That was crazy, guys. I can't believe that just happened. Look at this view, though. Wow, shit's so nice. This is Alex's choice car, by the way. There's no way that he took the doors off of a cop car. First of all, there's no way he has a cop car. Second, there's no way he took the doors off of it. It's legit a cop car, bro. You got the light, you got the cage in the back, but it got no doors. That is hilarious. This STO is beautiful, guys. I believe it's Wildcats on YouTube. You guys probably seen his videos. But he has an STO and he shipped it all the way out here. Bro, these things sound crazy. Bro, that shit sounds beefy. Yeah, the AMGs do sound better than BMWs. Oh my god.
I just got the greatest video of all time.
You can hear it. You can hear the intakes too. Yeah. Wade's gonna try to whip the STO. Damn, bro. Alright guys, we just made it here to a Carmi now. But we just been teleporting everywhere, honestly. The vlog's kind of been just all over the place. I don't even remember the last time I picked up a camera, but we made it to a Carmi now. Got a Brabus kit. God damn, that shit probably worth a lot of money, bro. This is wide body too? Oh my god. That's a full-on Brabus kit. Got an E92 over here. Oh my god. On BBS's too? That's fire. And he got the sick-ass shifter, bro. With the seats, the cage.
All done inside out with the Valtronic exhaust.
Really?
Exhaust brand, yeah.
These seats are beautiful. And yeah, that's cool. The cage is literally paint matched. And he got the Valtronic exhaust. Everyone got the Valtronic exhaust, huh?
10K on some wheels is kind of crazy.
Is that how much they were?
Bro, FIRs, yes.
Oh my.
Like 10 grand.
Reggie 80 with the crazy exhaust on it? No way. Angie, you know that's $9,000 option?
Shut the fuck up.
I swear to God, bro. $9,000 for that center exit. I don't know.
I mean, it looks sick though.
It's alright, but
I don't know about 9,000.
9,000? I don't know. But it looks good in red, bro. That's crazy. What kind of red that is? Another F80. Look at those exhaust tips.
This is just a FindingNick.
Literally, it's just BMWs everywhere. The cage in there.
Damn, you might.
Bro, I want to do this cage.
I think you should do a cage.
This is literally the exact cage I want to do, guys.
I think you should do a cage.
But as you can see, no one can sit in the back seat anymore.
Nah, they could fit. They could put their legs like on the side. Through the bars.
Kinda.
They have to put their legs through the bars.
Look, I don't know where you're gonna put your head though.
Gotta figure it out.
It's sick though. Look how crazy it looks. Literally makes it look like a track car. I feel like that's the only thing my car is missing, guys. If we do that,
What cage should you do though? That's the color. That's
well, if I keep the red, if I keep the black seats, I'll probably do like a red cage. But you guys know I want red interior. Look how good the red interior looks. I need to find red interior and to swap somebody. You got the front mount intakes too. I want to do those. Sounds sick too. And a stick shift. I don't know how I missed that. This F80 is perfect, literally. There's like no lighting at this meet, so it's hard to see the cars, but pink McLaren 720. There you go, you can kind of see. Look at this. No way to see us out here, bro. Not sure if you guys know, but this is like a $200,000 BMW. And my boy's just driving it casually. I swear, it has like a $100,000 markup, bro, just to get one of these cars. For you to see one on the road, it's actually insane. This is where the yellow lights originated from, literally. Wow, that thing is sick, bro. And the best thing about these cars are the taillights. Look at that. Tell me that's not the sickest taillight design you've ever seen. Must be nice. Look at the trunk. It's so fire. But you know how much those are? This is like $200,000. Then the meat's getting packed now. Look at the M4, guys. Shakir orange. This is the color I originally wanted on my F80. What's up, bro? My twin. Another gray BMW. Damn, everyone got red interior, huh? I need red interior, bro. Everyone has it. I know, literally, it is like a BMW meat.
What's lighting?
Bro, you gotta hear my car.
What's up, vlog?
You have to hear my car. It's ridiculous. Yes.
Yeah?
The pops, flames, pops, everything, bro.
Let's do it.
It sounds like gunshots. Damn. Is that shit pink? It is on.
Yeah, it is pink.
That shit fire.
Look. Got the stickers.
Stickers?
Down right here. Yes.
My boy Andy's making a clothing brand.
It's a puro house, guys.
That's just sick. The little house.
Yeah.
House music.
House music all day, baby.
There's no way they pulled up in Miatas, guys. No way they park like that. Oh, the cops pulled up, guys. There's a lot of them too. You got arrested or what? Got the new exhaust on and a new tune. The pops are ridiculous. I didn't really do that many pops in the last video, but I'm gonna show you guys how loud this tune actually is right now. The exhaust is from Valvetronic, so huge shout out to the boys at Valvetronic. I have their exhaust on my GTR, and now I have an exhaust on the F80 from them. The only thing is that for some reason the stock valves aren't working properly, so we're gonna head to 412 again right now, because this exhaust does have valves. It opens and closes whether you want it to be loud or quiet, and we wired it up to like the stock valve system. So in these cars you can literally switch it from efficient to sport, as you can see, and it's supposed to close the valves in efficient and then open them in sport plus, but for some reason it's opening and closing with like the throttle response. I don't know why this is happening, but we're gonna head to 412 right now, see if they can rewire it up. We might just do like the original Valvetronic remote, and that will probably solve all the problems. We tried to do it to like the OEM valves, but it's just not working properly. So we're gonna head there right now, try to fix these valves, because the exhaust does sound good. It literally sounds like gunshots. The exhaust sounds good, it's just very loud and I can't even keep it quiet anymore. I want to make sure we can close the valves whenever there's like a cop behind us or something, so we don't get pulled over. System. You literally run this wire from the bottom of the exhaust all the way to the trunk and connect it into the Valvetronic box that it comes with. It gets controlled by the remote, and you have this inside the car and you can open and close just like that. Easy. You just gotta drill a little tiny hole and run the wire through. And that is a little controller thing that we switch. You can literally see the valve opening and closing. Works! Yeah, that's just way louder. Now the valves could be closed. That's pretty quiet. It's looking like, sounds like stock. That's super sick, bro. Yeah, it sounds stock, bro. So much better now. Now I can drive quiet and not have to worry about getting pulled over by cops and all that good stuff. It literally sounds like stock. Maybe even quieter than stock, to be honest. It's cool, you can like literally hear the valve open and close. Guys, you don't understand how much better it is that the valves are closed. Look how quiet it is. We could actually have a conversation in here. I think you just grab the remote and open it up. Way louder, bro. Alright guys, about to grab some food with the homies. We got the homie Golly with the Hellcat. And we got the homie Andrew with the Mustang. VA boys! Pulled into the homie Jonas kebab spot. You have an M3 too, don't you?
I do.
That was dope. Dude, I just got shot in the head.
Bro, it's so loud in person, guys. I want you guys to all hear it, because I know it definitely doesn't pick up on camera.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thinking.